Hey everybody, Scott Burnette here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Today we got a quick one for you. At this very moment I'm uploading my Hollyland Lark M1 microphone or wireless audio system video where I unboxed it. Comes in this neat little case right here. And that's what the receiver looks like. You can see it on top of the GoPro, and then the microphone that you put in your shirt or on your person, on your hat, whatever it looks like. So today we're going to do an outside review of the M1 on the GoPro. And this is the GoPro Hero 8, and I have a Ulanzi vlogging setup with this. So it's got the adapter that plugs in. Let me go over here. Adapter plugs in and gives you audio out and power port right there, and it gives you the shoe mount where you can put a microphone or a light or I think that's it, a microphone and light. So I'm going to stick this thing in my shirt. I'm not going to turn noise canceling on because it might not work. I've been watching what's his name? The Camera Crisis channel. I'll link it down below. It's Mark's Camera Crisis or whatever. He did some tests on it and it would drop out. And so I'm going to run it without that. I'm going to stick it in my shirt, and me and Gretchen are going to go outside and run around and throw frisbee and play. See what it sounds like. And I'll be right back. One thing I do want to show is on setup on this thing, I used a powered mic plus. So in the settings on this, you go down to input output and put it on powered mic plus. That boosts the dB just a little bit on a powered mic because some of them don't put out very much. So let's go outside. Alright, so I have the Hollyland Lark M1 in my shirt right there. You can see it right there. I don't have a noise cancellation turned on. So me and Gretchen are going to go out in the backyard, throw the old frisbee around. Here at lunchtime, thought I'd make another video. I'm uploading the one I made showing off the microphone and testing it, doing an unboxing. So let's walk out here in the backyard. Good Lord, it's hot out here. Come on, G. Get to see all the birds and stuff. It is kind of aggravating being in your shirt like that. Let's see. So we got a bunch of sparrows, little baby sparrows in a mud nest. They get rid of you see all the parents out here trying to feed them. But there's 4. This is the 3rd hatch this year, and boy, they fly around. Boy, they get mad if you get in their way. G, get your frisbee. That's G Dog. We'll go set the GoPro up on the fence. We'll get away from it, and hopefully we're still connected. Yeah, we're still connected. Do a little running with it. Right. There we go. We'll see if this microphone works or not. There we go. There we go. Good girl. Good girl. All right. Let's go up and see how this sounds now. Take a lunch break. That's the only thing about the GoPro Hero 8. It doesn't show anything how the, it'd be good to have some little sound displays, audio displays. Let's go see what it sounds like. All right, I am very impressed with this microphone. My big button running, I got this big old chin and everything, and double chin, and I was running around throwing the frisbee, and it didn't miss a beat. I am, and for $107. And it comes with two of them, so I mean, I gotta put one on. I need to put one on Gretchen so I can get her reaction. But very impressed with this. It's supposed to have 8-hour runtime on the microphone and the receiver. It's supposed to be able to go up to 650 feet away and still pick up. 650 feet. Now that's line of sight. You can't have anything block or have your back turned or anything. That's looking right at it. So I'm anxious to check that battery life out and the distance and everything. Now today I was 60, 70 feet away. Very clear. So very impressed with it. Links in the description on everything. Amazon Day today. You can pick one up. Gretchen's barking about something, and we'll leave it right there. Appreciate all the subscriptions, all the views. Subscribe to my channel. Hit that button, hit that like, give me a comment, give me a question. If you've used this, if you used a Hollyland product, let me know. But anyway, I'm going to get back to work. Appreciate all y'all. Have a great day, and until the next video, thanks for watching. Get 'em, Gretchen!